God, I'm so done.
Hey, Aztec Supra! No? No answer? Alright, I see how it is. Bitch. Yeah, just sit there with your fucking dick between your butt cheeks, bitch. Aztec Supra likes it in the butthole.
Search and destroy.
Aztec Supra likes eating ass.
Protect the objectives.
Psst, guys. Psst. Guys.
Shut the fuck up.
What? What did you just tell me? Oh, fuck me. This isn't over.
Good job, Grunts. Get ready for
Oh, ooh.
Who was talking shit, huh? Talk shit on the loading screen, bitch? The fuck?
I think it was that Fearless J kid.
Well, you sound like whoever was talking, alright?
I sound like them?
Take it out
What?
if necessary. I don't give a fuck, honestly.
I wasn't talking shit, dude.
Pinky promise?
I pinky pie promise.
Shit. That's lethal.
Yeah, dude. Haven't you watch My Little Pony too?
Almost every day.
Dude, that's fucking crazy.
You fucking queer.
Dude, what season of My Little Pony are you on?
I don't know. It's the third time I watch it over.
Really? I'm on season 3. I just got done with episode 16. What was it? I forgot the name of it. It was oh, Pinkie Pie gets raped? Yeah. Fucking love that episode, dude. Honestly, in my opinion, it's probably been the best episode out of the whole series.
charges diffused.
Do you like anime?
Good job.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
I mean, is it just me, or do anime characters, female characters, turn you the hell on?
Hell yeah, dude. I watch it like every day. Like when I get bored and I just feel like rubbing one out, you know. I just watch some anime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you watch anime?
Yeah.
What do you watch? Oh. Fuck. What type of anime do you watch?
Attack on Titan? Death?
Oh, dude, I love Attack on Titan. Is that where all those gay guys that are super huge run around naked? I love that one.
Yeah. You eat people out.
Yeah, dude, I love eating ass.
Ooh.
Yeah, my friend taught me how to eat ass too. He was like, you gotta take some peanut butter, just put it on the left cheek, get some jelly, put it on the right cheek, then just get it at an angle and just like smear it all together, and you just gotta like turn the cheeks together in a one circular like counterclockwise motion.
That's insane.
Dude, and then you just get all up in there. Just like motorboat the hell out of it, dude. It's like a peanut butter jelly asshole sandwich.
That's nice.
Dude, it's so good.
Charges acquired.
Hey, Aztec.
Huh.
When was the first time you ate ass?
Probably when I was 14 years old. I'm 18 now.
Whose was it?
My girlfriend's actually.
Really?
We only had we had like 7 months relationship. We went to a hotel,
We got the bomb.
and
Oh, dude, that's crazy. How old are you?
18 now.
Oh, you just turned 18? Dude, no way. I'm like 20. We should totally meet up sometime.
So we can both eat ass at the same time?
Yeah, I can teach you how to eat ass.
That'd be splendid.
Hell yeah, dude. I'll just take some peanut butter, put it on my left cheek, get some jelly, put it on my right cheek, and I'll let you just learn from there.
I want to try Nutella though. I don't know.
I heard Nutella works good too.
Interesting.
Yeah, dude. They say it's a lot thicker than peanut butter. I love it thick. How about you?
I like it so it's smothering, you know?
Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, sometimes I have the girls or guys, whichever one I'm in the mood for, just go like take a shit first and then come back. Make sure they didn't wipe their ass either and just like get that extra taste in there. Oh, it's so good.
So it's already packed.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Search and destroy.
That's nice.
Eliminate the
Oh yeah, dude.
charges acquired.
You know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna record myself eating ass just for you and then totally send it to you over Xbox. Sounds like a plan?
Oh yes, please.
Alright, sounds good, man. I'll definitely do it.
I'd like 6.
Oh man. I hope they don't come back on us. You know what I might do later? I might get some peanut butter, I might put it on my balls and have my dog lick it off in a little bit.
Send me a recording of that too.
Hell yeah, dude.
There's gonna be a lot of slobbering and whatnot.
Hell yeah, dude. Like I have a YouTube channel, you should totally check it out. Like I like record myself doing like all this crazy stuff that nobody would ever think I would do, but I do it anyway. It's awesome. I love it.
Alright, we lost that round, but it
Damn, Aztec, we gotta bring it back. We gotta eat these kids out.
We should.
You want me to pick you up after this, dude?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, so that way, like, after we could just exchange phone numbers without anybody having to hear our phone numbers.
search and destroy.
Hell yeah.
You have a Snapchat?
Objective.
Huh?
You have a Snapchat?
I do.
You should totally send me a picture of your butthole.
It's purple.
What color is it?
It's purple right now.
Oh, dude, that's crazy. Mine was blue the other night. Yeah, Aztec, you should totally back out and pick me up.